In the last lesson, we have added the model class for accounts, and now in this lesson, we're going to add the model classes for categories and products. Let's start with the categories. Here inside the Postman, let's go to the categories endpoint. And if we send a GET request, then we'll get the following JSON data. Just copy this JSON. And we're going to generate the C# properties from this JSON. Right after that, just add a model class and name it category. Now we will simply copy this JSON data and paste it inside this category class. Alright, now let's switch back to the Postman. And there, I'm going to this product section. Just start our work with this getProductById endpoint. This endpoint will return the following JSON. Simply copy this JSON and generate the C# properties from this JSON. Now, inside the Win Studio, let's add a class and name it product. Now let's add these properties inside this product class. Once we add these properties, then we'll switch back to the Postman. And this time, let's open this endpoint, that is getProductByCategory. And this will return the following JSON data. Likewise, we'll simply copy the JSON and generate the C# properties. Then once again, inside the Win Studio, simply create a class and name it ProductByCategory. Once we add the class, then we simply add these C# properties inside this class. Alright, now once again, back to the Postman. And this time, we need to open this endpoint, that is trending product. Now just copy the JSON and then generate the C# properties from this JSON data. Alright, then inside the Win Studio, let's add a class and name it trending product. Now we will copy these C# properties and paste it here. Alright, so far we have added the model classes for account, categories and products. Now let's continue our work in the next lesson.